Hey there, future homeowners! Are you ready to turn your dream of owning a home into a reality? Before you start packing those moving boxes, have you considered the unexpected costs that could sneak up on you during the process? From the initial paperwork to the day you get the keys, there are hidden expenses waiting around every corner. Join us as we uncover 10 hidden costs when buying a home, so you can be prepared for the surprises and make your journey to homeownership as smooth as possible. Property taxes, more than you bargained for. When you think of homeownership, property taxes might not be the first thing on your mind, but they're a big deal. These taxes vary depending on where you live, and they're calculated based on the value of your home. What's tricky is that these costs can change over time, especially if your property value increases. It's like an evolving bill that grows with your investment. You might even face higher taxes in your first year, thanks to a reassessment after the sale. Many buyers are caught off guard by this because they only account for the initial estimate. It's essential to research the tax rates in your area and factor them into your long-term budget. It's one of those costs you can't avoid but can definitely plan for. Some areas also have additional levies, such as school or community taxes, which are not immediately apparent. These can add hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your annual expenses. The worst part? They often come with deadlines that sneak up on you when you least expect them. To stay ahead of the game, work with a real estate agent or a tax advisor who understands local tax codes. By knowing what to expect, you can avoid being blindsided by a hefty bill down the line. Trust me, keeping this in mind will save you a lot of stress. Homeowners insurance, more than just protection. Homeowners insurance is a must, but did you know it can vary dramatically based on your location and property features? If your dream home is in an area prone to natural disasters like hurricanes, floods, or earthquakes, expect higher premiums. While it's peace of mind for your investment, it's a recurring cost that many overlook. What's even more surprising is the hidden add-ons that aren't included in standard policies. For example, flood insurance is often separate, and without it, you might not be covered if water damages your home. This can be a costly lesson if you find out too late. Always read the fine print and ask your insurer about additional coverage options. Age and condition of the home also play a role in determining your premiums. Older homes with outdated wiring or plumbing might cost more to insure because they're considered higher risk. It's like paying for a safety net that comes with its own set of rules. To avoid surprises, shop around for insurance before finalizing your purchase. Get quotes from multiple providers and compare coverage options. That way you're not just protecting your home, you're protecting your wallet too. Closing costs, the final hurdle. Closing day is exciting, but it comes with a price tag many buyers underestimate. Closing costs typically range from 2 to 5% of your home's purchase price, and they include a laundry list of fees. From loan origination fees to title insurance and even notary charges, these little expenses add up fast. You'll also encounter prepaid costs like property taxes, homeowners insurance, and even interest on your mortgage. It's like paying for your home twice in one day. Many first-time buyers are shocked by how quickly these expenses pile up. Lender fees can be another unexpected hurdle. Some lenders charge processing or underwriting fees that aren't clearly outlined in your initial loan estimate. It's always a good idea to ask for a breakdown of these costs well in advance. To prepare, set aside extra funds specifically for closing costs. It's better to have a little cushion than to scramble for cash at the last minute. Trust me, knowing what to expect here can make your closing day feel a lot more like a celebration than a financial drain. Home inspections unveiling hidden issues. A home inspection is a non-negotiable step in the buying process, but it's not always as straightforward as it seems. While the inspection fee itself might seem minor, the findings can lead to unexpected expenses that derail your budget. Imagine discovering mold, structural issues, or a failing HVAC system right before you move in. Some inspections, like radon or pest inspections, might not be included in the standard package, but are crucial for ensuring your home is safe. Skipping these could leave you with costly repairs down the road. It's like finding a crack in your foundation, literally and financially. Even if your inspector gives you the green light, don't relax just yet. Some issues, like outdated electrical systems or hidden plumbing leaks, might only surface after you've moved in. This is why it's worth hiring a reputable inspector who knows how to spot red flags. Budget for unexpected repairs and use the inspection report to negotiate with the seller. If major issues arise, you might be able to lower the asking price or request that repairs be made before closing. It's all about turning potential pitfalls into opportunities. HOA fees. If you're considering a home within a homeowners association, HOA, brace yourself for monthly or annual fees that aren't always advertised up front. HOA fees cover shared amenities like pools, gyms, landscaping, and sometimes even utilities, but they can add a significant expense to your budget. These fees vary widely depending on the neighborhood and the amenities offered. A community with luxury features like tennis courts or a private clubhouse will naturally come with higher dues. Even if the amenities seem worth it, the costs can increase yearly, catching homeowners off guard. HOA fees aren't just about enjoying perks. They also fund community repairs and maintenance. If there's major damage to a shared area or an unexpected expense, you might face a special assessment. This is an additional fee imposed on homeowners to cover costs that the HOA's reserves can't handle. Always ask for a copy of the HOA agreement before you buy. Understanding the rules and fees helps you avoid surprises down the road. You'll thank yourself later when those beautifully maintained green spaces don't drain your bank account. Utility connection and upgrades, powering your dream home. Moving into your new home is exciting until you realize you need to set up utilities, and it's not always free. Utility companies often charge connection fees for water, electricity, gas, and internet services, which can add up quickly. If your new home is in a developing area or has outdated systems, you might even face infrastructure upgrade costs. Things like adding a new electrical panel, installing gas lines, or boosting your internet speed can stretch your budget further than expected. Seasonal expenses also play a role. Imagine moving in during the peak of winter or summer. Your heating or cooling costs could skyrocket before you've even unpacked. Planning for these fluctuations is crucial for managing your expenses in the first few months. To avoid utility sticker shock, ask your real estate agent or seller for an estimate of typical utility costs for the area. It's all about knowing what to expect so you can keep the lights on and your finances steady. Moving costs beyond the boxes. Packing up and moving into your new home is rarely as simple as it seems. Whether you're hiring professional movers or renting a truck, moving expenses can escalate faster than you'd think. From labor fees to mileage charges, these costs often catch buyers off guard. And don't forget about packing supplies. Boxes, tape, and padding materials might not seem expensive individually, but when you need dozens or even hundreds, they can quickly add up. If you're downsizing, you might also need to rent storage space, which is another expense to account for. Moving long distance comes with even more surprises, like fuel surcharges, overnight stays, or even the cost of transporting your car. It's easy to underestimate how these extra expenses pile up. To keep costs in check, plan your move well in advance. Shop around for quotes from movers, consider doing some of the packing yourself, and don't forget to budget for unexpected expenses. A little preparation goes a long way toward making your move smooth and affordable. Landscaping and outdoor maintenance, beauty comes at a price. Your dream home might come with a gorgeous yard, but maintaining that beauty isn't cheap. Landscaping costs can range from basic lawn care to elaborate designs involving trees, flower beds, and outdoor lighting. These costs often surprise first-time buyers who don't realize how quickly they can add up. If the home includes features like a pool or large garden, the maintenance costs can be even higher. Pool cleaning, fertilizer, pest control, and seasonal upkeep are just the start. And if you need to hire professionals, you're looking at regular expenses that can put a dent in your budget. New homeowners also often forget about equipment costs. Lawnmowers, trimmers, and other tools might be essential if you plan to handle landscaping yourself. Investing in quality equipment up front is smart, but it's another cost to prepare for. To avoid being overwhelmed, start with a plan. Focus on essential maintenance first, and gradually build out your landscaping vision over time. It's all about creating a space you love without stretching your finances too thin. Renovations and customizations, making it your own. When you move into a new home, it's tempting to start personalizing it right away. New paint, upgraded fixtures, or even a full kitchen remodel can seem like exciting projects, but these customizations come with a hefty price tag, especially if you're not careful. What many buyers don't realize is that even small changes can escalate quickly. Changing a backsplash might uncover plumbing issues, or installing new floors could reveal subfloor damage. It's like pulling a thread. You never know how far it will unravel. Labor costs also add up fast. Even if you're handy with tools, certain tasks require professional help, which can be expensive. Add permits and materials into the mix, and your initial estimate can double before you know it. The key to staying within budget is prioritization. Focus on projects that add immediate value or address critical issues. Save the aesthetic upgrades for later once you've settled into your home and have a clearer picture of what you truly want. Pest control, keeping unwanted guests at bay. Your dream home might come with a few unwelcome surprises like termites, rodents, or other pests. Pest control is one of those hidden costs that no one likes to think about but is crucial for protecting your investment. Routine pest inspections and treatments can save you from expensive repairs later. Termite damage, for example, can compromise the structure of your home and cost thousands to fix. Even seemingly minor issues like ants or spiders can grow into bigger problems if left unchecked. Homes in certain climates or locations are more prone to specific pests, so it's essential to understand the risks in your area. If you're buying in a wooded area or near water, expect to invest more in pest prevention. To stay ahead, schedule regular inspections and invest in preventive measures like sealing gaps or installing screens. It's a small cost compared to the potential damage pests can cause. Trust me, it's worth every penny to keep your home safe and sound. And there you have it, the 10 hidden costs when buying a home that every buyer should know. From property taxes to pest control, these expenses might catch you off guard, but with the right planning, you can tackle them like a pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, happy house hunting, and may your dream home come with zero surprises.